Join me as I try to implement 10 health hacks into my crazy, hectic life and see if I can actually stick to them. When it comes to self-care, we all know it's essential, but when you're leading a hectic lifestyle, it can be tough to prioritize your health. Between work, family, and social commitments, it's easy to put yourself last on the list. That's why I want to share with you 10 health hacks that are specifically designed for people with busy lives, to help you take control of your well-being and make self-care a priority. I think we can all agree that one of the biggest challenges we face when it comes to our health is finding the time to exercise. It's hard to fit in a trip to the gym or a run around the block when you've got a million other things on your to-do list. And to make matters worse, when we do finally get some downtime, it's easy to fall into unhealthy habits like grabbing fast food or spending hours binge-watching our favorite shows. The reality is, leading a busy life can be overwhelming, and it's no wonder our health often takes a back seat. Another common challenge many of us face is getting enough sleep. Whether it's because we're working late, checking work emails in bed, or simply having trouble winding down, getting a good night's rest can be tough. And we've all been there, relying on caffeine and sugar to get us through the day, only to crash and burn later on. On top of that, it's easy to get stuck in a cycle of negativity, beating ourselves up over our failures and shortcomings, rather than taking the time to focus on our strengths and accomplishments. When it comes to eating healthy, it's easy to get into bad habits when you're leading a busy life. Whether it's relying on takeout, skipping meals, or overindulging in unhealthy snacks, it's tough to prioritize whole, nutritious foods. And let's not forget about stress. When you're constantly on the go, it's easy to feel like you're running on a hamster wheel, with no time to stop and catch your breath. So, how can we break free from these unhealthy patterns and prioritize our health, even when life gets crazy? Here are my top 10 health hacks for a hectic life. First up, start your day with a 5-minute morning stretch. Whether you're doing it in bed, in the shower, or even on your lunch break, taking a few minutes to stretch can make a huge difference in how you feel. Next, prioritize your sleep by setting a bedtime routine. Whether it's reading a book, taking a warm bath, or simply turning off your phone, give your brain the signal that it's time to wind down. Third, meal prep on the weekends. It doesn't have to be complicated, but having healthy snacks and meals ready to go can be a game changer. Fourth, take a walk during your lunch break. Even if it's just around the block, getting some fresh air and movement can boost your energy and productivity. Fifth, practice gratitude by writing down 3 things you're thankful for each day. It can be as simple as a good cup of coffee or a beautiful sunset. Sixth, drink a full glass of water as soon as you wake up. It's an easy habit to get into and can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Seventh, use a productivity app to prioritize your tasks and stay focused. There are so many great options out there, so find one that works for you. Eighth, try meditation. Even just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference in how you feel. Ninth, eat a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts as a snack instead of reaching for something unhealthy. And finally, take breaks throughout the day to stretch and move your body. It can be as simple as stretching your arms over your head or doing a few jumping jacks. Out of all these health hacks, I think the most impactful one is prioritizing sleep. I know it's easy to stay up late to get more work done or watch that one last episode, but trust me, it's not worth it. When you're well rested, you're more focused, more productive, and more able to tackle the challenges that come your way. Plus, you'll be less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or rely on caffeine to get you through the day. So, if you take one thing away from this video, make it prioritizing your sleep. In summary, these 10 health hacks are designed to help you prioritize your health, even when life gets hectic. Whether it's stretching in the morning, meal prepping on the weekends, or simply taking breaks throughout the day, these habits can make a huge difference in how you feel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. Which of these health hacks are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and tricks.